Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle 19 installation on Windows Server 2012 Release 2 Standard Edition. First, we will see virtual machine configuration for installing Windows Server 2012 in Oracle VirtualBox. Now, I am setting up the virtual machine configuration. I have already created one virtual machine and I am doing the configuration. In this virtual machine configuration, I have configured 6 GB RAM, 100 GB hard disk, and one Ethernet card adapter, and I am adding shared folder for sharing that for getting that Oracle 19C software into that virtual machine. So now I am starting the virtual machine. So the installation begins. So click next, install now. Setup is starting. So I'll choose Windows Server 2012 R2 Standard Edition with the server with the GUI. So I'll choose that one and I will install. I accept the license and terms and then click next. So custom install Windows only advanced. So I'm going to install custom. It's not going. It's not a upgrade install. It is fresh install. So I need to partition the disk now. 100 GB, it will be allocated some 350 MB to system files, reserved for system files, and remaining 99.7 GB it will be allocating C drive as I need to format it and then proceed the installation. So the installation started. Finally the installation got completed. Let me restart that machine. On the first login we need to set up that password, administrator password. After that, finalizing your computer settings. This pop-up window, it's for optional activations. It's your computer activation code will be generated and it will be activated, but it is not a activated version. We need to activate manually. So let me log into the server. For getting that shared folder, we need to install that VirtualBox additional VirtualBox addition. Then only the shared folder will be displayed here. So I have, you can see now that Oracle VirtualBox Z drive will be sharing. So I have placed that Oracle 19C binary RDBMS binary software in this folder. So I am going to copy into this virtual machine from here, Windows 19C. This RDBMS binary I am going to copy into this virtual machine. So now I am opening that zip file. In the zip file content, everything I will be copying into this Oracle 19C home location, and then we'll proceed the installation. So this is a binary files, RDBMS binary files. I am selecting all and copy everything and paste into Oracle 19C home location. I mean DB home location. Oracle product 19 DB1. So we need to paste here. I have already pasted everything. and then now open the command prompt. I will click the setup. So I'm facing issue fail.exe system error. Some additional component, I mean that runtime error, DLL file, some DLL file missing. I need to get it from Microsoft sites that update. I I will download and install that update. See runtime error. That update I need to install. After that I will see. Will try to install. Same thing. Same the setup while clicking the setup.batch also it's getting the same error. So I have downloaded this update and installed it. Now let me try to install. After updating that runtime error issue, after updating that installation, now the error will not see again. So it's loading the Oracle 19c installer. Uninstaller it's starting. I'm going to set up software only. Later we will install the database configuration. Single instance database installation. Next, database edition. I'm going to use virtual account only. Use virtual account. Otherwise, we can create Oracle user. That user account we can specify here. But in my case, I did not create any Oracle user account. And yeah, we can use. We can go ahead with the use virtual account. So this is Oracle base location. Okay, let's start the installation. installation is going on. Once the software installation gets completed, we will see that database creation and configuration at the same time. So the RDBMS binary installation got completed successfully. Okay, let's close it and we'll open that command prompt and then run that set the environment, set the Oracle home location and run dbca. So we'll go for an advanced installation and general purpose and transaction processing. It's a single instance database installation only. I'm giving that as ID as our lab. srlab underscore listener. I am specifying the listener name. I am adding sample schema for some testing purposes. So create database, click next. I am adding that generate database creation script as well. So let's look at the script after some time. So click next. Okay, the summary installation summary is here. So now let's proceed with the installation database creation. Okay, finish. Let's start the database creation. Creating pluggable database in progress. Now open the command prompt and set that Oracle SID srlab and SQL plus SSDBA. It's connecting to the database. I'm validating that database files and so everything looks good. So I'm validating that components, what are all the components got installed in this Oracle 19c database. So everything looks good. So exit, and I'm going to validate that services where it is running, Oracle listener services and DB services. Open that services.msc. So here it is, the running that Oracle 19c from the TNS listener services. SRLab underscore listener is the listener name. It's running. That is Oracle service SRLab. That is DB services running.